In this video, we will be learning about the npm, that is a command line utility that comes with Node.js, and we'll also see how to create your own module. So these are the commands that we use in general. So we have npm search, npm docs, npm install, npm install with a global flag. This should be with a global flag. And then npm init and npm run. So we'll start with the search. So we need to go to command line, then npm search and the module name. So we have module called formidable that is used to parse form data. So I'll try to search that formidable. So it will look for, see, it listed all the modules having formidable in their name or in the description or author. So moving on to next command, we have our node doc, npm docs. So this command will open the documentation for a particular module. So in this case, you need to provide the exact module name. It will not look for all the modules having that particular keyword in their name or description. It has to be the exact module name. So we'll use npm docs and the module name. That's a formidable only. So it will open in a browser. Make sure you are connected to internet. So it asked you can open it as a desktop mode. And then you will have the full view of the page. So you have all the files that are required in that module, then features, installation, then an example, APIs, and all other stuffs. So this is how it is used. The next command that we are going to see is npm install. So currently we are in this directory, Nodejs, and we have two folders and 2 files here as of now, and we'll install a module. So npm install, and let's say the formidable. So it has installed. See, this was our first module that we were importing here or installing here. So now it has created a folder named node modules. If you are going to install further new modules, then it will just keep on adding new folders here. And we have a package lock JSON file also. Okay. So, and then the next command that we are going to see is npm install module name and then with global flag. So this one will actually install in your global directory and not in your current directory where you are doing this, running this command. So you can try it on your own on running it. The output in the command line will show where your global directory is, and you can look it there. Then we have this npm init command. This is for creating module. So I have created one, and see, I have created a module named my module, and this is the file. So it basically exports a variable and a function. Variable's name is version num, and the function is say hi, which just prints a hi message. And I'm using this module here in this file, my mod demo.js. So if I'm going to use it, I need to provide the relative path. So it will be my module and then slash my module.js, that file. But we are going to configure the path of the JS file in a file named package.json. So we can directly give that initial directory name, and we'll be able to access our module. And then we are calling that variable and that method from that module, the version num and say hi. So there will be a file named package.json here, which will have the details about which is our entry point. Our entry point is this mymod.js, and for that we'll need our next command. So that is npm init. So we'll have to be in that directory, and then we have to run it. Right now we are in node.js directory, and we have this my module directory here. So we'll cd to that directory. We have this file here, mymod.js. So here we'll do npm init. It will ask a set of questions to create that JSON. So first is package name. So let's keep it my module only. Hitting enter will set the default entries. So version, let's keep it 1.0.0. Description, whatever you want. Entry point, see, it detected that that's only JS file in this folder. That was mymod.js. If you have more files, you can put the name of one of those here, or otherwise leave the default. Then test command. This we'll see bit later. This actually takes command line command. So as of now, let me give ls. We'll describe that later. Git repository we don't have, we'll leave it blank. Keyword, you can give something. My module. Author, you put your name or anything you want. License, we'll keep it blank. Finally, yes, and we have a file created. So if we go to that directory, so inside my module now we have a file named package.json, and see the content here. We have the name, version, description, and the main key contains the file which is the entry point. So we'll try running this file now, mymod demo.js. So node mod demo.js. Oh, sorry, we are not in the directory. Cd dot node mymod demo.js, and it ran. It showed the version from that module file and that hi message. So The next and the last command that we have is this npm run. So npm run is related to this creation of module only. If we go here, see in this my module inside this package.json, we had this scripts, and then we have a script named test and the command is ls. So we can run these commands using npm only. So that the script's name is test. You can have a comma separated multiple scripts. So for this package.json we have only one. So if we are in the directory, we'll move there, cd my module, and then we'll run npm run test. So see, it listed all the folders here. So you can have some scripts that suppose you have a module where you need to run some uh, batch code which has to be run to set up that your directory or something. You can provide it there. So this is it. If you have any doubt regarding any of these commands that we showed, or you need details about any other npm commands, you can put those in the comment section. I'll try to reply.